Okay, so today fifth graders, we're working with arrays. We didn't have much experience with this morning, so sorry about that. This was supposed to be a review. The first part, it talks about about arrays, and it says it's an arrangement of objects in rows and in columns. Each row has the same number of objects, and each column has the same number of objects. We can write a multiplication number model to describe the array. So if you look over here, you can see it's 3 over, 4 down. 3 by 4 is 12, and you can count each one of them and come up with 12. For each number below, use pennies or counters to make as many possible arrays as you can. Draw each array on the grid with dots. Use the number model, write a number model next to the array. So 5. Different ways to make an array for 5. There's a 1 by 5 or a 5 by 1, and they're basically the same thing. Each time they're going to equal 5, so we'll draw 1 over, and there's our 1 by 5 array. Not very exciting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I might need to go over one more. A 1 by 5 array. And then our next one is 14. Think of all the possible ways to make a 14. We've got 1 times 14, but we also have 2 times 7, or 7 times 2, which is just the reverse of it. Any other ways that you can think of to make a 14? I think that's it for me, so we'll go ahead and draw them. So then if we draw that, we have to go 1 by 14, or 14 by 1, and then also 2 by 7. So I'm going to start over here and count backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I'm supposed to label this. I think I forgot on the other one. That's a 1 by 14, and this one was a 1 by 5. And then I also need to do this one, a 2 by 7. So I go down 2 and over 7, 1, 2, and then over 7, 1. I think I maybe did too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I gotta count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm not so good at counting. I'm going to do this one again. I'm going to do it over this way, and I'm going to do 7 by 2 instead. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's better. Alright, and this one is a 2 by 7 array. Alright, so there's my 5, there's my 14, and then I've got 18. And the ways to make 18 are 1 and 18, or 18 and 1, 2 and 9, and 3 and 6. 4 doesn't work, 5 doesn't work, and then we're back at 6, so we're back at the turnarounds. So here we go. Let's do our super long 1 by 18 first. Maybe I'll go up this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There's my 1 by 18. This one I probably should have done the dots a little bit more clearly. And then on this one I've got a 2 by 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I need 2 rows of that. And that was a 2 by 9. And then the last one I've got is a 3 by 6. And now I need 3 rows of those. And there's my 3 by 6 array. And I can do the turnarounds also. If I've got room, I can do a 6 by 3 and a 9 by 2 and a 1 by 18. But I'm okay for now if we just do it this way. If we just do the 1. And then we'll be learning a little bit more about that property tomorrow. It is called the commutative property, the one where you can switch it up, where 1 times 18 is the same as 18 by 1. That's actually got a fancy name to it called the commutative property. Alright, and now we're down at the bottom here, adding them up. And you can use any part of your paper if you want to stack it up. I know I do much better if they're stacked one underneath the other. Just rewrite it. Make sure I'm on the screen here. 7 plus 8 is 15. Add them up and you get 9. 795 on that one. And then over here, stack it up again. Large number on top, or first number really, on top. Because we're going to get some negative numbers this year, so it won't always be the large number on top, but for right now it is. And 6 minus 4 is 3, so 371 if you did it correctly. Uh-oh, I don't think I did. Because my book says it should be 2. 6 minus 4 is 271. Sorry about that. 271. And then we've got 14 times 7. Just going to cover some of these up as we work so we know where we are. 14 times 7. I'm doing off to the side. And I've got 7 times 4 is 28. 8 and carry the 2. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 2 more is 9. So 98 for that one. And then my next one, I love this multiplication practice. Some kids forgot over the summer how to do this. 6 times 4 is 24. Write down the 4, carry the 2. 36 plus 2 is 38. Carry the 3. 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 3 more is 9. So 984 for that one. And then our last one. 45 divided by 9. I don't know if you even need to write that out. I bet you just know. Because since 9 times 5 is 45, 45 divided by 9 is 5. Alright, thanks for working with me today.